Hi, my name is Madeline Martinez. I am in the High School of Business CTE at the Academy of Arts, Careers, and Technology, and I am excited to use all that I have learned to one day open my own business. The past few years I've been working in the student store, and through this we've done things where we've done like rebranding. So when I first came here it was called the Vault, now we call it the 380. You're constantly working in groups, you make business plans, all these different things.
So of course in a coffee shop there are basic duties that we have: dishes, cleaning, cooking, waiting on customers, doing register work, making drinks. Maddie's been a part of all of that.
Having the CTE program being the Business Academy, we run the student store, and the student store is kind of like a small business. We get to learn different processes that you would in a small business. I think the experiences in my CTE have set me up for the future. It's not going to be that shock when it's like, oh, well, you can't do it like this anymore.
But I see her skills grow because she's following her natural desire to do that, and the program, it's like a platform. You know, the atmosphere of a business and what people need to walk into and how she fits into that.
Yeah, being in my CTE program, it's given me more confidence to pursue my career because it showed me all the little things that you don't always think about. You won't get the same opportunity later. You won't always get to go and try these different things. This is high school and this is your time to try different things. This is your time to go and learn because you won't have that same opportunity ever again.